Hey there, YouTube friends. I have my Ryobi stick vacuum here, and it works great. You can see all the dirt in the canister there. After all these years, it still sucks up the dirt, but I'm having trouble with the head, and I think it's a belt. I'm going to try changing that today. I'm going to turn it on real quick so you can see that the head isn't spinning. And I think that might be a bad belt, so I'm going to try to change that now, and we'll see if it works. Now, if you're holding the vacuum and looking down on it, the belt is going to be on the left side. All right, to get to the belt, we have to remove these 3 screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. And this will just pop right off. And there's the belt. And the belt doesn't look bad, but it's a little loose. So I think we have a bad belt. I'll soon find out. And this is just going to pull off like that. Now we got a new belt. Here's the old belt. Here's the new belt. See, it's a little stiffer. And we'll just put this on. And we'll see if that does the trick or not. Now we're just going to put the cover back on and put the screws back. Okay, now we're going to test it out. So that fixed the problem. I'll put a link below in the description box as to where you can find the belt. And yeah, it's a great vacuum. All we needed to do is change the belt. See you next time.